Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share. Follow the Telegram channel also. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So, guys, once again, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on the next update. Like this video and make your comments. So now let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on our GBP JPY. So we need to zoom it out and fully understand our GBP JPY trend. So let's start with our default trend here. We can clearly see that GBP JPY is an uptrend move. So let's start it from here for quick analysis. I won't start it from the bottom, I'll start it from here. If this is our higher high on GBP JPY, this will be taken to be our higher low. This will be seen as our higher high. And here comes the higher low. This will be seen as our higher high. Here comes the higher low. This will also be seen as our higher high. Now this is our higher low. So market is currently playing an higher low. It has formed an higher low. So basically, this is now for a swing trader, right? If you are a swing trader, or if you are a position trader, you should now start anticipating for another bullish move that will give us what? A new higher high. So a bullish move that will be giving us a new higher high is what we should now be anticipating and expecting for on our GBP JPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, right? So we had this we had market pushed up from here, right? Markets are pushed up from here. So there was a multiple rejection around this level here. So we had our first rejection here, which is our second rejection here, which is our third rejection here, and here comes the fourth rejection. So we highlighted this level as our what? Our resistance level. This is our resistance level. So this level here is our resistance level. Markets, eventually, broke out of it, it pushed up and broke out of it. Now market has now given us a pullback to come to retest this our resistance level market broke out from. So now the market has now come to retest it. Our next movement and our next forecast is that market will actually bounce up again and push up. So thereby giving us another bullish move. So another bullish move is what we should be anticipating and expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know about those changes. So you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments.